Hello, my name is Ashley. Today I'm going to make very delicious guava pickle. So when you pick up the guava, if you have a tree or you want to buy it, you have to make sure that it's green. This is still, it's light. Over here I cleaned it and I put it in a jar. It has to be even more greener so it will be really hard, crunchy. But almost the season it was going, the left, whatever left, I said I better pick them up and make delicious guava. So what you have to do, you cut both sides and you will cut it and you have to empty it with the spoon. Just like this. Here we go. It will be empty, but this is a little bit soft. Here is the green one. Let me empty this. And just like this. Make sure you take the seeds out, so when you eat, you don't want to eat the seeds. Even though you can eat the seeds too, here is another one that will clean. Those are more greener. What we have to do is, today I'm gonna make vinegar and the pomegranate juice mixing together. We have to do instead to put water, we're gonna put pomegranate juice. And this is, I'm not gonna preserve it, just gonna do it, and in a week we'll be ready, we're gonna eat this. So this is half of it, we're gonna fill the pomegranate, which we just squeeze that. And we're going to put half of it vinegar. Apple cider vinegar I'm going to use for this. Instead to use white distilled vinegar. There you go. And we're going to put 1 tablespoon salt. This is a regular tablespoon it is that you eat food. You just put that. Maybe we'll put another half, 1.5. Usually, like I always say, I do eye measurement. And now we're gonna close this. Every time that I close the jar, what I do, I cut the plastic wrap, nylon. I'll cover it, I'll tie it up good, because when you mix it, it gets, it drips. So what I do, I just mix it like this way, and I will leave it for a week, for a few days, and I will check it, and then it will be ready. And then we're gonna see how good it's gonna be. We're gonna show you how tasty it will be. So we're gonna leave this for a few days. Now I'm gonna add a little bit more. I think between them, let's put a little bit more of vinegar, because it needs some more, I guess. Like I said, half of it juice and half of it a vinegar. There you go. You close it nice. One more time, mix it. You can do a couple days this way and couple days that way, but usually you can keep like this way, and we're gonna see how it's gonna be. It will be very, very delicious. You just make sure that your guavas are much greener than this. If it's greener, you can keep it for a long time, but because it's almost like ripe, half green, half not, so we can do it and we will enjoy it just the way it is. In a week, 2 weeks, in a month, we'll be finished it, but it won't last that much long. We'll eat that. All right, well, thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this channel. I want to thank to all my patrons on patreon.com for their support to make my channel possible. Thank you.